Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make apple pie Panlasang Pinoy. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees F and gather apples, sugar, butter, flour, cinnamon, and a pie dish. Prep a simple countertop workspace. I'll guide you through making a tender, flaky crust, crafting a balanced apple filling, and assembling the pie for even baking. Expect helpful tips, easy substitutions, and timing cues so you bake with confidence and joy. Make the crust by mixing flour, salt, and sugar, then cutting in very cold butter until pieces are about pea size. Sprinkle ice water a tablespoon at a time, mixing gently until the dough barely comes together, then form into discs and wrap. Chill the dough for at least 30 minutes to relax it and keep the butter cold. Rolling cold dough creates layers that bake into delicious flakiness. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's black ice for a crisp, classic scent that pairs oddly well with warm apple pie aromas on the way home. It's a small, fun change that brightens your drive after baking. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Slice apples evenly and toss with sugar, cinnamon, a squeeze of lemon, and a bit of flour or cornstarch to thicken the juices. Mound the filling into the chilled bottom crust, leaving space for hot juices to bubble without spilling. Add the top crust, seal edges, and trim excess before crimping or decorating. Brush with egg wash, cut vents, and sprinkle a little sugar to achieve a glossy, crisp finish when baked.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.